Kev G weather overview. Hope you had a good 4th of July. We have a few showers around today. The bulk of the rain, though, looks like it's over the mid-Hudson Valley and also over Philadelphia and points south. So we'll be dodging a couple of showers tonight, I think. But I think the worst of it stays away from the immediate tri-state area. And, these showers will persist through the night. But I think most of us will not see anything too bad as this latest weather system moves through and quickly in and out it goes. So we're in the same pattern that we've been in for June. It continues into July, and I don't think it's going to break down anytime soon. And what that basically means in terms of sensible weather is that it's not going to get hot for very long, which is good. You get a couple of beach days in there, and then the weather kind of resets itself because we've got this persistent northwest flow out of Canada, which continues. And as long as that continues, it is not going to get hot around here for very long. Now, in much of the south and southeast, they are dealing with persistently hot weather. So a lot of the headlines that you hear on the national news, that's no joke. That is first-class heat that is going on to our south, and that will continue, especially over Texas. But we are just dealing with one weak weather system moving through here every couple of days, and that basically blunts any type of persistent heat. So by the time we get into tomorrow, we'll see lots of sunshine. This front will be gone. And then Thursday into Friday, especially late in the day, another front will move through, and that'll give us more showers and maybe even a few thunderstorms around. That'll linger into early Friday, but then off it goes. And look at the high pressure building in from Canada for the weekend. This is exactly what we want to see. Lots of sunshine, temperatures in the 80s, at or below where we should be this time of year, so 70s to near 80. And then by next Tuesday, we'll get into another frontal passage, and this will bring more showers and thunderstorms. But again, it gets hot before the front comes through, and then that front goes off, and out it goes. So by next Wednesday, we're looking high and dry with a good end to the week, it looks like, for the week. This is all the way out to Friday the 15th. And I don't see the weather pattern really changing all that much. And you can see, when you look at the charts, it's almost like we're looking at the same charts that we did last time because it's so similar. You got this weakness over northeast Canada, this area of low pressure. It's in a general sense, it's an area of low pressure. It's an upper low that just keeps reforming and spinning. And here we are out to the 10th. This is this weekend. And you can see how that inadvertently controls our weather because it sends these little weather systems through here every couple of days. And you can see this is out to next Tuesday now. And that upper low is reasserting itself. And as it does so, it's going to send a frontal passage through here. So it's a persistent northwest flow. You can't get a ridge of high pressure to build in long enough off the southeast coast, the traditional Bermuda high. You can't get that in this particular pattern. Now, if you did get that, the whole weather pattern would change, and we would start to see heat that would be way more persistent in nature. But that is not the case as we go through the next 7 to 10 days. Here's tomorrow's temperatures, highs around 90 with lots of sunshine. We'll get more sun than we did today. Then back into the 80s we go on Thursday with arriving clouds and then late showers. Those showers will stick around for Friday, especially early in the day, but then they'll be gone probably by mid to late afternoon with highs around 82. And Saturday, much of the same, highs around 80. And then we'll be looking at lots of sunshine. Looks dry for the weekend into Sunday. And then out towards next Monday, mainly highs around 80. So you can't really get it that hot in this weather pattern due to the aforementioned factors. So we are looking very good. This summer pattern is a good one for the Northeast. We have benefited from it a lot. Areas way to the south have been dealing with tremendous heat. That doesn't seem to be in the offing for the tri-state area in the next 10 days.